So guys, welcome back to my video. So I want to unbox this my luxury vacation suit. Okay, I want to unbox it. So I ordered it online because the one I showed in that video was so expensive. It was too expensive, and the other shop that I go in to check, but I did not like them like this. I did not. They were not my favorite. So I just decided to order from Zalando. So let's unbox it. Whether now waiting I order versus what I receive. Okay, so let's unbox. So the back is showing. It's showing like that. This one has to put nails. This one are gift. Wow. You see the package? Fertilize it. Fertilize it. Show me.